back to my channel. So how is everyone doing? I hope great. I hope amazing. So I'm back with another video, and this is going to be a shoe unboxing video. So I was doing a little cleaning and I came across a couple of boxes that I haven't opened from, I don't know, like a month or so, and I thought I would do this one first. It is from Nike. Yeah, so I don't even know what shoes are in here, so I'm just gonna go ahead and open it on camera and we'll both find out. Always have difficulties. Okay, I did it. Okay, so they're, oh, I think I know what these are. The soft pink, I believe they're called. They're the Nike Duck Glows, the women's. So, oh, here's the box. And let's go ahead and see what we're working with. Look at that. Wow, I can't believe I haven't opened these. Wow, let's just take a moment because these are super cute, and I'm so upset because these are like a summer shoe and I haven't worn them, and then summer's gone. Well, almost. I can still wear them in September, but oh my god, look at them, they're so pretty. I definitely love these pastel colors, like this green. Here, let's dim this light so you guys can actually see the color. But loving the laces and the tongue, it's like this pastel pink, and then the little logo up here has the green with the purple, like this. And then I like how they put the green on the bottom as well, and they mixed it. Oh, sorry, like look at my nail. Like it was worse earlier and it's getting better, but it hurts so bad. Like, had to remove my nails and I have to wait a week or so to get them back. It hurts so bad. Anyways, back to the shoe. But look how cute. Oh my god, I can't. They're so cute. I have to try these on, and we shall try them on right now.
Hablar si no nos dejamos ver. Yo sé dolce, a veces vulgar, y cuando te lo quito, después de los paris, las copas de vino, las libras de mari, estás bien suelta, yo de safari, tú me ves el culo fenomenal, pa' yo devorarte como animal. Si no te has venido yo te voy a esperar, en mi cama y lo voy a celebrar. Baby, a ti no me pongo, y siempre te lo pongo, y si tú me tiras, vamos a negarlo.
Honestly, I love them. They look so cute on feet. The colors are perfect. Like, I feel like if you know, you'll be able to wear these with a couple outfits, because like the colors are a little hard, but you can make it work. They're just so cute. I love them. I'm so happy I'm unboxing them now. And I found them because I need to go and open up some other boxes, but I'm so excited. They're very cute. I know this was like a month ago drop or something, probably a little longer, I'm not sure, I forgot. But if you were able to get these, comment down below and let me know if you would like to cop these and why. And if you don't like them, let me know why. Let me know in the comments. And yeah, that's all for this video. I'll see everyone in my next video.